Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekkalaiva. Today, we are going to learn linear equations exercise 8.2. Find the value of x in the given equations. We are going to find the x value using transposing method. What is transposition, children? The process of moving algebraic terms from LHS to RHS. LHS means left hand side to RHS, right hand side, and vice versa is called transposition. Okay, I repeat this. The process of moving algebraic terms from LHS to RHS and vice versa is called transpositions. Okay, so we are going to use this method. You see here, 2x minus 13 equal to 5. Okay, so 2x equal to 5. The minus 13 will change plus 13. So transposing minus 13 to RHS. Then 2x equal to 5 plus 13, what you will get, children? 18. Next, what I am going to do? I am going to transpose the 2 to the right hand side. Okay. So x equal to 18 by 2, because multiplications will change other side division. So transposing two to RHS. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. So x equal to 9. What is the value of x, children? X equal to 9. X equal to 18 by 2. When we divide this, what we are getting? 9. So x equal to 9. This is the answer. Okay. See the next one. Zero 0.3x plus 0.05x equal to 0.1x plus 2. Okay. First you should add this 0.3 plus 0.05. So what you will get, children? 0.35. 0.35x equal to 0.1x plus 2. Now I am going to transposing this x term to the LHS. Left hand side I am going to transposing. So 0.35x minus, because additions will change other side, subtraction, 0.1x equal to 2. So transposing 0.1x to LHS. Okay. So now 0.35 minus 0.1, what you will get, children? 0.35 minus 0.1. 5, 3 minus 1, 2, 0.25. So 0.25x equal to 2. Next, I am going to transpose the 0.25 to the RHS. Okay. So x equal to 2 divided by 0.25, because multiplication will change other side division. So transposing 0.25 to RHS. Okay, here denominator is decimal. First you convert into whole number. Here how many decimal places are there, children? 1 to 2 decimal places are there. So we need to multiply with 100 only we can convert. Okay, so both numerator and denominator multiply with 100 into 100 into 100. So when we multiply by 100, what you are getting? 200 by 25. Now 25 ones are 25, 25 eights are 200. So x equal to 8. What is the x value? X equal to 8. Is it clear, children? See the next one. Five x plus 11 plus 4x minus 5 equal to 3x plus 4. So 3x plus 24. Okay. First you should add this 5x plus 4x. Combine the like terms. 5x plus 4x, what you will get, children? 9x and plus 11 minus 5. What you will get? Plus 6 equal to 3x plus 24. Okay. Now what I am going to do, children? I am going to transpose 3x to the LHS. So 9x plus 6 minus 3x equal to 24. So transposing 3x to LHS. Next, this constant term I am going to bring it into the right hand side. So 9x minus 3x equal to 24. The plus 6 will change minus 6. What I did here? Transposing 6 to RHS. Now 9x minus 3x, what you will get, children? 6x equal to 24 minus 6. 4 minus 6 we can't subtract, so 14 minus 6, 8, here 1, 18. Now x equal to 18 by 6. Multiplication will change other side, division. So transposing 2, 6 to RHS. So divide this, 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18. So therefore x equal to 3. What is the answer? X equal to 3. Is it clear, children? See the next one. Solve the given equations and verify your answers by substitution. Okay. First we need to solve it. After that we need to verify. Okay. First see here, 7 into x minus 2 equal to 2 into x minus 4. First you multiply with the 7. 7 into x, 7x. 7 into minus 2, what you will get, children? Minus 14 equal to 2 into x, 2x. Then 2 into minus 4, minus 8. Next, what I am going to do? I am going to bring it the 2x in the LHS and minus 14 to the RHS. Okay. So 7x plus 2x will change, minus 2x equal to minus 8. Minus 14 will change other side, plus 14. So what I am doing? Transposing 2x to LHS and minus 14 to RHS. So 7x minus 2x, what you will get, children? 5x equal to minus 8 plus 14, what you will get, children? 6. Now I need to find out x. X equal to 6 by 5. Multiplication will change other side, division. So transposing 5 to RHS. So here now x value is 6 by 5. Next we need to verify. Okay, verification we need to do. Verification. Take the equation. What is given? 7 into x minus 2 equal to 2 into x minus 4. 7 into x minus 2 equal to 2 into x minus 4. 2 into x minus 4. Substitute the x value. 7 into 6 by 5 minus 2 equal to 2 into 6 by 5 minus 4. Now take LCM here. 7, the denominator is 1, so 5 is the LCM. Write the numerator as it is. Here denominator is 1, so we need to multiply with 5. Once you multiply the denominator, you have to multiply the numerator also. So 5 2s are 10 equal to 2 into, here also denominator is 1, so LCM is 5, 6 minus, here you want to multiply with 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. So 7 into 6 minus 10, what you will get, children? Minus 4 by 5 equal to 2 into 20 minus 6, you will get minus 14 by 5. Multiply this, minus 28 by 5 equal to minus 28 by 5. So now LHS equal to ORHS. So hence verified. You understand, children? See the next one. $65 minus 5 into 4x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay? 65 minus, multiply with the 5, 5 4s are 20x, minus into minus plus, 5 3s are 15 equal to 0. Minus 20x, 65 plus 15, what you will get, children? Plus 80 equal to 0. Oh, minus 20x equal to minus 80, because additions will change other side, subtraction. So transposing 80 to RHS. So minus minus cancel, x equal to 80 by 20. So transposing 22 RHS. 0 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So x equal to 4. Or else directly you can bring it minus 20, after that you cancel this. Okay. So what is the answer? X equal to 4. Now we need to verify. So verification. What is the question? 65 minus 5 into 4x minus 3 equal to 0. 65 minus 5 into 4 into 4 minus 3 equal to 0. 65 minus 5 into 4 fours are 16 minus 3 equal to 0. 65 minus 5 into 16 minus 3 you will get 13 equal to 0. So 65 minus 5 into 13 you will get 65. 65 minus 65 what you will get children? 0. 0 equal to 0. So hence verified. Is it clear children? See the next one. Fifty minus 6 into x plus 1 equal to 22 minus 10 into 1 minus x. Okay. First you multiply this. 50 minus 6 into x 6x minus 6 into 1 minus x equal to 22 minus 10 into 1 minus 10 minus 10 into minus x plus 10x. Okay. 50 minus x, what you will get children? Minus 6x plus 44 equal to 22 minus 10, 12 plus 10x. Now, bring it the x into the LHS side, 44 to the OR-HS. So, minus 6x minus 10x equal to 12. The plus 44 will change minus 44. So, transposing 10x to LHS and 44 to OR-HS. So minus 6x minus 10x, what you will get children? Minus 16x equal to 12 minus 44. What you will get? 4 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 1, 3. Minus 32. Okay. Now x equal to minus 32 divided by minus 16. So transposing minus 16 to OR-HS. Minus minus cancel, 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32. So x equal to 2. Now we are going to verify. Verification. Write the question first. 50 minus 6 into x plus 1 equal to 22 minus 10 into 1 minus x. Here x value 2. So 50 minus 6 into 2 plus 1 equal to 22 minus 10 into 1 minus 2. 50 minus 6 twos are 12, or else you just add it first. 50 minus 6 into 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. 22 minus 10 into minus 1. So 50 minus 6 threes are 18 equal to 22 minus into minus plus 10 ones are 10. 50 minus 18, what you will get children? 32 equal to 22 plus 10, 32. So LHS equal to RHS. Hence verified. Is it clear children? See the next one. Solve these equations. 35p plus 5 divided by 12 equal to 15. Okay, first 35p plus 5 equal to, cross multiply this 15 into 12. Multiply this 15 into 12. 2 5s are 10, remaining 1. 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3. 1 5s are 5, 1 into 1 1, 0, 8, 1, 180. So 35p plus 5 equal to 180. 35p equal to 180. The plus 5 will change other side, minus 5. Transposing 5 to RHS. So 35p equal to 175. P equal to 175 by 35. Transposing 35 to RHS. Okay, so 7 5s are 35, 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. So P equal to 5. What is the answer children? P equal to 5. See the next one. Four into 5a plus 16 equal to 16 into a minus 35. Now multiply this. 4 into 5a, 20a plus 4 into 16. 4 6 are 24, 4 remaining 2. 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 64 equal to 16 into a, 16a minus 35 into 16. 6 5s are 30, 0 remaining 3. 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3, 21. 1 5s are 5, 1 into 3, 3. So 0, 6, 5, 560. So 20a minus 16a equal to minus 560 minus 64. Okay, additions will change other side, subtraction. So what we did here, transposing (16a) to LHS and 64 to RHS. 20a minus 16a is 16a. What you will get children? 4a equal to, both are same sign, so just add it. 4, 6 plus 6, 12, 2 remaining 1, 1 plus 5, 6. So minus 624. Next a equal to minus 624 by 4. Transposing 4 to RHS. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, remaining to 22, 5 4s are 20, Remaining to 24, 6 fours are 24. So A equal to minus 156. A equal to minus 156. Is it clear, children? See the next one. 3p by 5 plus 2p by 6 equal to 42. Okay. Here denominators are different. So we need to take LCM. So the LCM of 5 and 6 is 30 because there is no common factor except 1. So that you directly multiply this. 5, 6 are 30. So 30 is the common denominator. Now see the first term. Here 5 is there. So we need to multiply with a 6. Here 6 is there. So we need to multiply with a 5. So 6 into 3p you get 18p plus 5 2s are 10p equal to 42. Just add it 18 plus 10 you get 28p equal to 42 into 30. Okay. Next. P equal to 42 into 30 divided by 28. Because multiplications will change other side, division. So transposing 28 to RHS. Here divide by 7 table, 4 sevens are 28, 6 sevens are 42. 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6. 2 ones are 2, 15 twos are 30. Now P equal to 3 into 15 you will get 45. So what is the value of P? 45. Is it clear, children? See the next one. Find the value of x in each of the following. Okay. So in this 4 into 2x minus 1 divided by 3 minus x equal to 4 by 7. Just you cross multiply first. First you cross multiply. Okay. So 4 sevens are 28 into 2x minus 1 equal to 4 into 3 minus x. Now multiply this 28 into 2 you get 56x minus 28 equal to 4 3s are 12. 4 into a minus x minus 4x. Next, to bring it the x to the LHS. So 56x plus 4x because minus subtraction will change the other side addition. 12 minus 28 will change plus 28. Okay. So transposing minus 4x to LHS minus 28 to RHS. So 56x plus 4x you will get 60x equal to 12 plus 28 you get 40. Okay. So 60x equal to 40, x equal to 40 by 60. Okay. So transposing 62 RHS. 0 0 cancel. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So x equal to 2 by 3. What is the answer? X equal to 2 by 3. The last one, 4x minus 2 by 3x plus 4 equal to 2 by 3. Just you cross multiply. Cross multiply. 3 into 4x minus 2 equal to 2 into 3x plus 4. Now you multiply this 3 into 4x, 3 into minus 2, 2 into 3x, 2 into 4. So 12x minus 6 equal to 6x plus 8. 12x, the plus 6 will change other side minus 6. Minus 6 will change other side plus 6. So transposing minus 6 to RHS and 8 to LHS. So 12x minus 6x, what you will get, children? 6x equal to 14. X equal to 14 by 6. 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 40. Here what we did? Transposing six to RHS. So x equal to 7 by 3. So this is the answer. Is it clear, children? Thank you, children.